So today I have a pretty exciting video for you all. I'm going to be taking you through my apartment living room that I've decked out with a bunch of smart home technology. And as you can see by the intro shots, this is really just the bare bones in my apartment. I don't really have too much decor going on. And I also want to give a huge shout out to Best Buy for sponsoring this video. So Best Buy has actually been running their top deals for the past month and a half, where every single week they are showcasing products that have amazing deals. And I'm going to be talking about some of the products that I wish I had waited to buy because they are in my house for smart home technology, as well as products that are alternatives for things that I have that have amazing deals going on right now. So if you do order any of these items, Best Buy actually has curbside pickup, so you can order something online and pick it up in just a few hours, as well as they have next day delivery for thousands of products. So all these items I'm going to be discussing can be purchased through Best Buy, and I'm really excited to share with you all what I put in my apartment for smart home technology. So the first item I'm going to be talking about is a little bit strange and kind of boring to be talking about for a smart home technology, but it's actually my router. So I have the Eero Pro 6, which I pay a couple extra dollars a month through my internet service provider, but you can actually purchase this router yourself through Best Buy. So this is a smart router, and it has an app that you can use to control actually really any Amazon Echo compatible device. So this is what actually led me to my smart home discovery, because I realized that I have this smart router, let me actually take advantage of it. All in all, I haven't really had any issues with my router at all. And on top of that, it's also a very good looking and clean looking router. It has a really nice design to it. So if you're looking for a smart router, I would definitely recommend the Eero Pro 6. So the next item that I want to talk about is probably my favorite piece of smart home technology, and it is my Sonos Roam. This is a speaker that is actually Amazon Echo and Google Assistant compatible, and it's a portable speaker, and it's one of the cheaper Sonos speakers that you can get. And I was actually between this speaker and then the Sonos One, which is much larger, but I realized that I wanted to have a portable speaker, mainly because my space isn't that big and I kind of want to take my speaker really anywhere and go and not have to have it plugged in. So as I said, this is compatible with both the Google Assistant and Alexa. I currently have it set up with Alexa just because I've found her to be honestly quicker than the Google Assistant, and even from reviews I've seen most people say that Amazon Echo is a little bit better than the Google Assistant. So that's what I have it set up as, and you can actually pick either option, so it doesn't really matter. You're not stuck between one or the other, and I pretty much use her for everything. I listen to it to play music, rain sounds when I'm trying to sleep, alarms, anything and everything. And I'm not even gonna lie, I wish I had this product before just because I love my speakers so much. So the Sonos Roam is really a great introductory point for anyone who is interested in purchasing any Sonos product, just because it is on the cheaper end. And in the future, if you do get a larger Sonos speaker, you can connect it with that speaker and have more surround sound and have a lot better audio. So I knew that I was going to purchase this as my first speaker, and then in the future I'll be purchasing more Sonos products if I move into a larger space. But if you do want a smart speaker but the Sonos Roam is a little bit out of your price range, then I would either recommend the Amazon Echo or the Google Nest Audio. So the Amazon Echo was originally $99.99, but currently Best Buy, with their top deals, it is $30 off, so you can get it for $69.99. And same with the Google Nest Audio, same thing, you can get it for $69.99. So it's just really up to you which device that you want to have for a speaker. If you're trying to get yourself a smart assistant and have a pretty good speaker for only $70, that's an amazing deal. And I'll have links to both of those as well as all the products I talk about in the description box down below. The next item that I have is my smart TV. So this is the Hisense ULED 4K U6G Quantum Dot QLED TV. And I purchased mine about a month ago for $500, but currently with Best Buy's top deals, you can actually get it for $449. So I wish I had just waited a month to be able to purchase my TV. I picked this TV because I've heard it was one of the best or closest you can get to a QLED TV that's under around $500, and I honestly agree. It is both Amazon Echo and Google Assistant compatible. I currently use it with my Google Assistant because I've actually had trouble trying to get it set up with my Amazon Echo with my Sonos speaker. but you know, that's a problem for another day. So if you are looking for a good TV rec, then I'd really highly recommend the Hisense ULED 4K U6G Quantum Dot QLED TV. That's a long name. Over here at my desk, this is something that you all have seen before. I made an entire video about it. My Google Home Mini. I actually don't use my Google Home as frequently as I used to because of my new Sonos speaker. The Google Home Mini actually isn't in the market anymore. I'm not even quite sure if the Google Nest Mini replaced it, but right now, if you do want just any sort of smart hub or smart device, Best Buy is having amazing deals right now. Amazon Echo Show 5 is $45, and then the Nest Hub is really the equivalent of the Amazon Echo Show 5, and you can save $45 on the Nest Hub as well. So the last couple items are, you can almost kind of consider them to be like decor pieces. So in my apartment, I don't have any overhead lights, which really sucked for the first week because I was like struggling to buy a lamp because I really wanted to have a lamp that fit my space, and I feel like I did a pretty good job of choosing modern lamps. What I did to make these smart home compatible is I just use smart plugs. Best Buy has some smart plugs available as well. I'll link a couple down below. Smart plug essentially just makes any sort of device that you have smart. It was really easy to set up, and I am just able to control my lights with my voice now, or I control it through the app. Remember when I was first debating on getting these, I was like, wow, am I really that lazy that I don't want to get up like probably less than 2 feet to turn my lights on and off? And yes, I was. So I ended up buying smart plugs for my lights, and I'm obsessed with them. I love them. You can, you know, use them to make routines, like when you come home or turn on at a certain time. So the last item is actually these strip lights on my TV. So I can use my voice to control the color of the lights, to turn them on or off. And it honestly just kind of adds a lot to the space in this, you know, sort of modern idea. These were super easy to install. If you can tell, I unfortunately installed the lights after the TV was mounted, so the bottom's a little messed up. If you do it before, you should be completely fine, but it took maybe like 20 minutes max. And right now, you can actually get a $40 Best Buy gift card if you purchase the Philips Hue Gradient Strip, which are smart lights, and those are probably like the top of the line smart lights that you can buy right now. So let me know what you guys think of some of these smart devices, and be sure to check out Best Buy's top deals because they really have some amazing deals. And every product I talked will be linked down below, and it'll take you straight to Best Buy's website. But if you guys have any questions or even recommendations about decor, let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely do a video in the future where I actually talk about like what furniture I have, but I just wanted to focus on the smart home technology for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.